Health authorities in KwaZulu-Natal are calling for all babies and children under the age of 12 to be vaccinated against diphtheria.
3 children in Durban have contracted the bacterial disease. 1 has since died and 2 others are in a critical condition in hospital.
Diphtheria was last reported in Durban 26 years ago. This month, an 8-year-old boy was admitted to Prince Mshini Hospital with flu and swollen tonsils. He was diagnosed with diphtheria and died 3 days later at Inkosi Albert Luthuli Hospital after experiencing breathing complications. 2 other children, also from Lazi, have contracted the disease. Age 8 and 9, they are in a critical condition in a Durban hospital.
I'm calling upon all our mothers, all our parents, care minders in the province to really come again into our health facilities. Whether we just give boosters and we give vaccinations to all children.
Diphtheria is a bacterial disease that is highly contagious and can be fatal. Symptoms include high fever, a sore throat, a bloody nasal discharge and cough. Lomo says his department is now accelerating child health care services in an effort to save lives. Linda Mkoboze, SABC News, Durban.